I hope you all are having a great day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the Piñata candy box. Now, they reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I would like to do a review, and it looked really interesting. So I said yes. They sent me this box, so thank you so much, Piñata Candy Box. I do appreciate it. Now, they are actually listed on Cratejoy as well, so I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. I did look them up, and they are $17.99 a month, so really reasonable, and I do believe it was free shipping. But let's get in here and see what it's about. So you can kind of guess from the name, Piñata Candy Box, it's going to be a Mexican candy subscription. So I'm very curious. I'm very, very curious. Okay. Oh, this tape right there. Sorry. There. All right, so this is what I see. There's a little card. All right, so the card just says, "Hi, Nikki. Thought I'd send you a quick thank you note. I hope you'll enjoy every piece of candy we sent you. It has a few of my personal favorites. I'd love to know what you think or any feedback you might have. Thanks again, Barbara and the Piñata Candy Box team." So thank you card and the personal notes. That was very sweet. Thank you, Barbara. So that's the little sticker says gracias. So let's open it up and see what we have in here. And this is what I see when I open it. So let's take a look. What is this? Rancheritos? I see chile. What is this? This actually feels like some kind of chip. But I'm not sure what kind. Chili, I'm guessing maybe like a chili or, you know, because I did see the word chile down here. Con chile. So that's actually nice. I prefer like savory or like chips, and I love chips and salsa and chips and guacamole and stuff like that. So that's actually nice to have in what you expect to be like a candy box. So then let's see. This says Vero Mango Chili Pepper Powder Covered Mango Lollipop. And you can see it there, and you can see the chili powder. That's interesting. Give that a try. And then we have a couple of these. What is this? Salt and lemon powder. There's like 4 or so of these in here, maybe. Now this it just says the ingredients. I can almost see my husband putting this into like a Corona or something. So there is that. And then what is this? What is this? Flesh part of fruit, pulp of tamarind. I don't know what this is. You guys see that? Do you guys know what this is? I'm definitely gonna need you guys to leave comments down below telling me what some of this is. And then let's see, looks like we have this right here. What is this? It doesn't say. I mean, I would guess based on the way it looks, maybe peanut butter. Could be wrong. Again, if you know, let me know down below. And this is some other kind of sucker. And I have no idea. Manita de la Suerte? I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. It's like a little hand. I don't know. What is this? Salsa picante. So here's like some hot sauce. Oh, is this some more? The authentic tasty flavor, the little parakeet, powder candy with salt and chili. So it's like a salt and it's a, what does it say? Candy. It's a powder candy with salt and chili. Interesting. Looks like we got like some chiclet. Let's see, we got, yeah, like, I'm guessing similar to chiclets, maybe, like a little gum. 3 of those. Looks like we got 2 of these guys, De La Rosa Mazapan Chico. They're soft, but again, I have no idea what they are. So this is going to be very interesting because this is like not only trying something different, but not knowing what to expect. Makes it a little bit more fun, but a little bit more like, ooh. Wafer filled with peanut butter and chocolate flavored coating. Okay, that I can get down with. So there's that guy. This is a small packet of cocktail peanuts, toasted, not fried. De La Rosa. They look like they have some kind of like chili seasoning on them. My husband will love these so much. And then we have the 2 of these little guys right here. I see what looks like chocolate, caramel, and peanut. So I'm going to assume it's some combination of those 3 items. And then we've got 2 of these little guys, pica gomas. Sabor tamarindo. Again, I have absolutely no idea. So there's 2 of those. And then we have Dulce Cremoso, something vanilla. So this almost looks like chocolate and vanilla, like puddings, little pudding packs. Those are cute. And then we have, I have no clue. So it looks like 2 plastic spoons with something, and it's kind of squishy. It almost makes me wonder, I could be completely off, but it almost makes me wonder if it's not maybe honey or something with like some Mexican spices. Because that seems to be having the like Mexican spice, the chili powder, chili pepper spice onto the sweet stuff. Seems to be kind of a trend here with some of these candies. So I'm wondering if this is some kind of, like I said, honey and maybe chili pepper or something combination. I don't know. But some of these, you guys, like if you know what these are, or these little round guys right here, or this little hand, or this little guy. or that this pulp of tamarind flesh part of the fruit. And these guys, this De La Rosa Mazapan Chico right here. Everything else I kind of was able to figure out. Like, I mean, this I'm thinking, like I said, these are kind of like chiclets. And then we have the candy, salt, and chili powder. We have some hot sauce, and then this is like a lemon or a lime, salt and lemon powder, these little packets. And then this mango chili powder sucker. So that was everything that came in the Piñata candy box. Like I said, this is $17.99. I will put a link down below. So head over, check them out. Like I said, it's definitely interesting. I do think that it's, you know, there's definitely some good stuff in here. There's just some stuff that I don't know exactly what it is. So it's kind of, you know, I guess we'll take the plunge and find out. But either way, it seems like it's a really fun box and has a good variety of more than just candy. So I do like that. But again, let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.